Hey guys, let's talk about the 7.8 magnitude earthquake in Davao. I don't live in Davao, but I'm scared. I'm scared for my life right now. By now, I said there was an earthquake in Quezon City before. I should be scared because I wasn't born before that earthquake happened. Okay, so the 7.8 magnitude earthquake in Davao has killed 37 people and destroyed malls like KCC Mall against General Santos and SM City General Santos. Like why? Why earthquake in Mindanao? A lot of buildings got destroyed. Even schools. It was like the first day of back to school. So you know what that means? The world has to give us an earthquake. We refuse that. People lost their shops, the restaurants, even the franchise restaurants like Jollibee and McDonald's. And then churches are destroyed from the inside but not from the outside. So Jesus tried to save his home. Makes sense. But the magnitude earthquake, if it was 9.99, if it was 9.9, we would be so dead. Like actually dead. There was an earthquake in General San. Okay, so why? So buildings are destroyed. People cannot bring them back. Buildings collapsed. I am scared. I am scared for my life. Especially losing your shop is the most painful thing I ever heard in my entire life. An earthquake could ruin that. They ruin your stuff. They turn them into ash. They are broken. You cannot fix it and cannot put them back together. It's just how mistakes cannot be undone, but some buildings can be done. Also, if people were eating at Jollibee in Mindanao, you would be so cooked. There's a lot of things happening to the Philippines right now, and I am scared for my life right now. I wish I could go to Canada. Oh wait, Canada has problems too. But I should just live in Antarctica. Okay, you should never. Right. This is so sad. People died. A landslide fell on a motorcyclist. A girl was crying. Maybe that was their parent? I don't know. They don't speak Filipino properly. I cannot understand it, but when I see it, some thoughts come into my mind. When people died, did they collapse from the building? Even abandoned buildings did not get a chance to survive. Oh yeah, a grandmother saved his grandson during the earthquake. She put him outside, and then she tried to get out too, but the earthquake did not let her go until the shaking finally stopped. for a little bit and come to pick his ransom up. There was an earthquake in Pampanga before, like 7 years ago. It destroyed a supermarket completely. Like, it actually destroyed it. Items are destroyed. People are dying. A lot of people are dying in the Philippines. Yeah, even yeah, this is like off top. Yeah, we're talking about earthquakes today. It's like a breaking news. Breaking news, yeah? But there's a lot of earthquakes in the Philippines. Like, some that destroyed a hotel, some destroyed homes. Those were like old. Okay, the buildings did not try to recover. Like, why have a lot of earthquakes? Bro, what's the source of earthquakes right now? I want to know. Please. By the way, the video ends here. So, bye.